Hello our dear customers, today we will see how to use this ultrasonic humidifier. We have USB power cord, user manual. First we should open our lid and connect our USB power cord. It is simple. Then we add some water inside of the water tank and just close our lid. Okay, great. Now we should plug in our device and turn on. If you want to turn on the humidifier, you should press this button once, so we can see some backlight. And for example, if you want to turn off this backlight, you just need to press this button the second time, so it's easy to adjust. Let's see how it looks like. And if you want to turn off the device, you just press this button the third time, so it's easier.
If you have some problems with our device, you can contact us and we will help you to solve all your problems.